So we want to know that, have you worked on your voice? Is it like naturally acquired, or how is it like?
कितना पतली आवाज थी मेरी while I was growing up
Yeah.
as a kid. I had this thing that I used to do. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, kaun bol raha on my phone.
Yeah.
So everybody used to think that my father's a doctor, so anybody who was calling would think that ये किसी बच्ची ने phone उठाया है. So they were like, आपकी बहुत बहुत polite है. बोले वो बच्ची नहीं, मेरा बेटा है.
Who's your best friend?
Anjali.
Okay.
Anjali Anand.
Yeah.
She's yeah. You see this? Remember I talked about it.
First paycheck,
My first paycheck, I think, was 2013.
2013. Okay.
I'd done a music video. I got 25K for that.
First पहली कमाई
हाँ.
धमाकेदार.
बेटा मन में लड्डू फूटा.
Hello everyone, you're watching us on Bollywood Live Z Media. This is Gaurika, your host, and today I have with me an extremely versatile star, a rising star I can say, and one of my favorites, Zain Khan Durrani. Welcome to our channel, and how is the feeling like? I want to ask you that.
Very good. First of all, thank
Yeah.
you for having me. Thank you for being here, all the way from Delhi. It's a very nice feeling. Yeah, having a release is always it's a good thing to have. Being a working actor is always a good thing to have, and receiving the kind of reviews we have, especially for the role I've done, I think it's a good feeling.
So coming back to the latest release, which has got everybody talking, Aankhon Ki Gustakiyan. So, what drew you to this project, and what were the highlights of working? We want to know all from you. So yeah.
The fact that it's a love story, a lot of I think that people are vying for love stories. People want to
Yes.
watch a lot of love stories these days. It's also a nice shift, a nice change. The fact that what had happened is that I'd auditioned for it when I was in Kashmir last year, and I'd auditioned over YouTube, and I'd sort of liked my audition. I was like, अच्छा ठीक कर लिया. उसके बाद for a very long time there was a little bit of a radio silence around it. So I didn't know what was happening. But then I was traveling here to Bombay for another project that I was doing, and I got a call that the producer wants to meet me. And surprising that went really well. And within about 5 to 6 days, I think 7 days, I was shooting for the film.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and I hadn't read the script at all till then. I was only aware of a little bit of some things here and there, and then I called for the script, read it, and I was like, yeah, it's fun.
So, what's the best review or some a review which got your attention? We want to know about that. You generally like go through the comments and that audience ko kaisa laga mera kaam. So what's the thing which has got your eyes?
Generally, most reviews have been really good.
Yeah.
There are a few reviewers that I really look forward to, and then and how they received my work. Even I watch them before I go and watch something else.
Yeah.
So I sort of have some trust in them. I'm not sure if I have the liberty to take names, but I was pleasantly surprised by the overall reaction from everyone.
Yeah.
I think everyone has really praised it, and even people who are watching who've come just message it or something. I think that's most important.
But there's a depth in your voice, and I mean it's very different from the others. So we want to know that, have you worked on your voice? Is it like naturally acquired, or how is it like?
I had a very कितना पतली आवाज थी मेरी while I was growing up
Yeah.
as a kid. I had this thing that I used to do. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, kaun bol raha on my phone.
Yeah.
So everybody used to think that my father's a doctor, so anybody who was calling would think that ये किसी बच्ची ने phone उठाया है. So they were like, आपकी बहुत बहुत polite है. बोले वो बच्ची नहीं, मेरा बेटा है. So I had that kind of a voice.
Yes.
And
Okay.
I was in the school choir and everything for that as well. But I think that going through the puberty phase and everything, you get the forces voices as well. I think that sort of really changed the texture of my voice eventually.
But you might be flooded with compliments.
Yeah,
No?
that's not a bad thing.
it's a lovely thing, of course.
Mm.
His voice, it totally
Yeah.
defines your personality also. So
Yeah,
is my voice fine?
Your voice is very
Oh,
good.
thanks. I knew it. Also, talking about the future projects. So, what can fans really expect? what kind of things you really want to experiment with, what kind of roles you want to do in your, journey, and what has been your dream collaboration, like, the thoughts.
Um, I have a very I don't know. It may be a boring answer, but I am just gunning for the right scripts.
The right
The
script.
story has to be nice. The script has to be nice. The screenplay needs to be written like a good screenplay. I think those are the things I want to focus on, because even a good script, even in a newcomer's hand as a director, can do wonders.
True that.
And that is my goal. And I'm a very greedy actor. I'm not restricting myself to any particular genre. I think
Yeah.
sari genres karunga.
And collaboration, like any particular director or actor you would love to collaborate with, or you have that in your list that, with this, I really, really want to work, and we have to like collaborate, something like that.
I really want to work in some of the Malayalam cinema as well. So
Oh, wow.
I work with Fahad Fasil. I want to work with Shahrukh Kapoor.
And I've
Shah Rukh
already
as well.
imagined you working in the South and making it big there, because,
Yeah.
you have that thing. When I entered, I thought, you would be the perfect fit there.
Yeah.
Or there also. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Even Telugu cinema. I'm also learning Telugu these days.
oh, wow. Super.
So I'm sort of learning Telugu and trying to put my time into that as well. I think it's a good asset to have as an actor to
Yeah.
be able to speak multiple languages.
So nowadays, like many people, they want to step into this creative field, but they really don't know the direction, the right path. कि कैसे हम अपना career बनाए. We don't have any godfather, we don't have any, family member who's from this industry, and we're living far. So, what would be your piece of advice to the people, and how do they get started with this process? Acting की line में actor बनना है कैसे?
पहले तो you need to have passion and the ability and
Yes.
some amount of talent.
Yeah.
ये काम without passion नहीं हो सकता.
And passion जिसके पास है वो क्या करे next step? Like,
Self analysis है.
yeah.
सबसे पहली चीज है you have to understand आप कितने पानी में हो. And you can't be in a creative field or any field for that matter and think मैंने सीख लिया. हो गया, I've learned. You can't have that attitude anyway. You have to have a zest and an unending desire to learn, to be on the go every day, observing yourself. What happens with most actors that we tend to get self-engrossed.
Yes.
But acting is as much about discovering yourself as about observing the outside. So the spotlight should be within as well as within out. As well as without. It's very important to be observant, to be constantly wanting to learn, be it languages, be it about the world, be it about psychology, be it about whatever.
Yeah.
And I think that comes really well when you watch good cinema, when you read good scripts. I think another activity and exercise I'm doing these days is
observing.
Observing to chalta rehta hai. Like even while I'm sitting, doing whatever, there's one part of my brain that is constantly observing myself as well. It's very strange. One of my I will not take names, but one of my mentors and teachers, she was once sitting with me and telling me something about a loss or something in her life, and while going through that and while going through that emotion, she looked up at me and she was like, "Did you see how I said that?" That is how somebody in real grief and sadness will say it. That is how we actors are.
Oh, wow.
We also, while going through severe emotions, we'll feel and we'll be like, "I remember this. This was so true." And I eventually saw that happening to myself. In states of extreme happiness or sadness or something, you start observing yourself and you see what's real. How do you express when it's really real, when it's coming from within?
Yeah.
So that process is on. But what I'm also doing is, coming back to the point, is that I'm reading scripts of movies that are already made.
Okay.
That have already been made. I read the script and then I watch the movie.
Because then how is it pictured?
Because as an actor, it's also very important to be able to gauge a script for how good it is or not.
It takes a lot. I mean, life of an actor, it's not easy. God, guys, you really need to gear up for it. You really have to step into this field.
It's easy if you're in love with it.
Yeah, if you're in love.
If
and
you're
if you're
just
ready to
here for the
devote.
peripherals, कि यार fame and money and all
Oh.
of that. Of course, those are great peripherals to have. We're all in it for that.
But that's just one part. Okay,
One
there's a lot
aspect,
to
yeah.
achieve that.
If you're in love with it, then it'll be easy.
But also one of the misconceptions about the industry which people have in it, and ऐसा आपको भी पहले लगा हो कि industry में ये सब होता है, but when you stepped into it and then like, oh, ये तो कहानियां हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता.
Mhm.
So for example, कि industry में कोई आपका दोस्त नहीं हो सकता, और दो तीन ऐसी बातें होती है ना which we get to listen, but it's like होता नहीं है. So anything which you have thought
Just
कि जो
taking
सच
from
में
what
है.
you're saying,
Yeah.
it is very possible to have friends and with your be friends with your
Hmm.
colleagues and have friends. I have one of my best friends is a very well-to-do actor these days.
Who's your best friend?
Anjali
Okay.
Anand.
Yeah.
She's yeah. When you see this, remember I talked about it.
Anjali.
She's-
Fans of Anjali.
I guess
Yeah.
so am I. But yeah, so it's very possible to be good friends with your colleagues, with your mates, and of course, there's a sense of competition everywhere.
Yeah.
Even you can't possibly be honest and say that you don't feel a sense of competition with people around you.
Insecurity is there.
Insecurity, nahi, sense of competition.
Competition.
एक वो होता है कि यार, oh, they've done so well, and you're happy for them, while at the same time you want
You have to like up your game and then
Yes.
So yeah.
That is a good
Happens in
healthy
every
sense to
field,
have.
you know.
And of course, the biggest sense of competition you should feel is with yourself. Nothing else. But it's it's like any other industry. Yeah. There are too
In
many
every, I think you
misconceptions
really
around
need
it.
to be
Yeah,
on the top.
of your game.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So also, I want to know that who has been your favorite, since childhood, जिसका काम आपको बहुत पसंद है, any veteran actor, any from today's time, if you like.
See, if I tell you the one mainstay, then conversation वहीं खत्म हो जाएगी. So I'll say his name at the end. But there are plenty of actors that I've looked up to
Yeah.
while growing up. I think Meryl Streep is somebody that I've grown up watching. My father was a big connoisseur for Hollywood cinema and everything, and I've watched a lot of her work. She's fantastic. Even Guru Dutt is like there was something about his eyes that spoke to me so much, and I would feel kini, yeah, this is the magic of cinema.
Yeah.
Then of course there's the Raj Kapoors and Dilip Kumars of the world. Al Pacino is somebody whose performances have really inspired me. The one person I can really zero down, now I'll come to that point, is Shahrukh Khan.
Shahrukh Khan, I saw that coming, so of course.
Of course you saw it coming. There's no
knew it.
surprise there, guys.
Yeah, so can we like expect a collaboration? Have you been like thinking about it, discussed with
I've
the
been
other
praying
person?
for it.
Okay.
Mm.
So also if we talk about, social media, so there's like, it's opening doors for many, but at the same time, it has its own effects. People, they troll others and they put down the negative comments also. There is, if we have to like accept the negativity. But how do actors like really deal with the negativity and negative comments coming in? So how do what is your step? What is your coping mechanism? Do you like ignore the comments, or do you like you read and then you feel bad, okay, and then you're like, okay, थोड़ी देर बाद you become all right or normal? How is it like dealing with
First
that
of all,
side?
distance yourself to a
Yeah.
certain extent. I
You get
have
bothered?
no, I don't. But I also don't because I don't engage too much in that. I think there are too many opinions. Everybody has an opinion, and if you keep listening to everybody's opinions, where is yours?
Yeah.
Where is your sense of individuality? And a sense of constructive criticism is always welcome. So always have people around you who are your friends, who are your mates, who are your acquaintances even, and people from around the industry. If somebody compliments me, I say, okay, take it a step forward. What do you think I could have done differently? What do you think? What is your overall analysis about what had happened? What the kind of work? Let's talk about things you felt off about. So you have to know what opinions you have to, what leverage, what weight you have to give to those opinions. And at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself as well that if somebody's written something that disturbs you,
you shouldn't let it consume you.
Ask yourself whether this person or whoever has said it will be able to say in person that same thing to you in person.
Not happening. I
Won't be able to, right?
So and the IDs are also anonymous. They don't show their real.
So take it with a take it in that aspect. कि अगर ऐसी चीज बोल रहा है कोई जो इस लायक नहीं है जो आपके सामने आके कोई बोले, तो फिर उसको रहने दो.
Okay. So moving on to another round, it's called BL Rapid Fire. We'll be asking you a few questions, not a rapid fire, but we really want you to be unfiltered and like say
Mm.
honest things.
As much as I can.
So Zen's first paycheck, when did you receive it? पहली कमाई आपकी कहाँ हुई? कहाँ आपने खर्च किया वो पैसा?
My first paycheck, I think, was 2013.
2013, okay.
I'd done a music video. I got 25K for that.
First पहली कमाई.
Dhamakedar.
And then where did you spend it?
So I was in college. So I was being
Oh my
completely
God.
funded by my parents for my college education
Yeah.
and everything. And for a tiny bit of time, I felt like I had that feeling that I'll send it to my parents and everything. And, I'll tell them, don't send me money for the month.
Now
I have
came
money.
like, yeah,
And then I
money,
was like,
I'm rich
listen,
now.
I have extra money. Let's just go and spend it.
Yeah.
So I don't even remember where I
Yeah.
spent it.
So what's your definition of love,
My definition of love is acceptance of
Hmm.
of love is a state of being. Yeah.
Hmm.
It's not just an emotion. It's a state of being.
Yeah.
That's why you say you're in love, right? And I think very easily say that we fell in and out of love. I
Hmm.
think love essentially will stay.
Okay, and
It'll
your
always be.
fitness mantra, all the girls really want to know. I don't know why.
The fitness mantra is just eat everything,
Yeah.
but eat it in
Small quantities.
like हद में करो जो भी कर रहे हो and work out at least 4 times a week.
Alright, and your favorite Kashmiri food?
Vazwan, the entire thing. I'm a bit foodie.
Yeah. So Delhi food or Bombay food? Or like, okay, one
I
from
did my
Delhi,
college.
pick one from Bombay.
I did my Delhi, old Delhi.
Old Delhi.
Old Delhi चले जाओ वहाँ के चाट वहाँ के restaurants.
But you
वहाँ के
don't
टिक्के.
really look like a chatora and you don't look like a foodie. But of course, if
I
you have
am.
Golgappa, you have one Golgappa, the quantity is
No, I have 6. I'll have 6. I'll have 12. I'll
Where
have
is it
18.
going? It's not going anywhere.
It is being burnt every
Oh my
day
God.
with me working out. I work out every day. I've been working out every day since I was 13.
Since you were 13, you've been
Yeah,
working out. That's
yeah.
the kind of motivation we all should have, guys.
Mm.
So, what's next? What's the next thing which is coming and you're busy with?
I'm shooting for a couple of things right now. I have shot for a few things already. I'm at the liberty of talking about one. There's this beautiful movie we've shot in Kashmir.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Coming from that place and shooting there,
Yeah.
it feels so,
It was-
so
it was-
great.
and it's a fresh new perspective. It's a different story. It's not
Yeah.
it's not about the general what we show about Kashmir. So it's I'm glad to be a part of that. It's a film made by Danish Renzu, and it's with Excel right now. I hopefully release it soon. It's called Songs of Paradise. It was called Songs of Paradise when we shot it.
Okay. It has.
Might have a different name when it comes out.
Okay. And one message you have for your well-wishers, for your fans,
The message is keep watching good cinema. We need people to support cinema. We need people to flock to the theaters. Even the movie that is released today is receiving great reviews. Please go and watch whatever you feel is good, and that is when good content will come and people will thrive.
All right, and let us know. Let us know all the comments and all the things you want to know from him in the comments section. And thank you so much, Zen,
Thank
for
you.
your time. It was lovely talking to you,
Thank
and
you
it
for
was
yours.
quite an insightful discussion. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.